In front of me is INFINIX Smart 8 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Users and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill Service and tap on Google Password Manager. Finally, select one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!